If you're looking to optimize CRM workflows in Salesflare, you're in the right place. I'll show you how this CRM can streamline your sales process, save you time, and boost your productivity. Stick with me till the end for an exclusive extended free trial of Salesflare, something you won't find anywhere else. Plus, I'll be walking you through some hidden features that make all the difference in getting your CRM working for you, not against you. First things first, Salesflare is a smart CRM built for sales teams that want to focus on building relationships instead of spending hours updating data. It uses automation to handle repetitive tasks, so you can focus on what matters most. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, optimizing your workflows in Salesflare will help you manage leads and customers without the hassle. When you first dive into Salesflare, you'll notice the simplicity of the interface. Unlike other CRMs that drown you in features, Salesflare's clean dashboard makes it easy to keep everything organized. The key to optimizing your workflow is connecting your email, calendar, and other communication tools right from the start. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with your existing tools like Gmail, Office 365, and others, so it pulls in all your emails and activities automatically. This means you won't have to waste time manually updating contact details or logging interactions. Next, let's talk about automation, one of the strongest features of Salesflare. You can set up smart workflows that take care of tasks like follow-ups, reminders, and even lead scoring. This ensures you never miss an important opportunity. Salesflare automatically tracks every interaction with your contacts, and with intelligent insights, it helps you prioritize the leads that need your attention the most. This makes the process much more efficient, and you'll never feel like you're playing catch-up. Another great way to optimize CRM workflows in Salesflare is through the visual pipeline. You can easily move leads through various stages of the sales funnel. The drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to track where each lead is and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's not just a CRM, it's a tool to help you manage your sales pipeline with precision. If you're working with a team, Salesflare allows you to collaborate seamlessly. You can assign tasks, share notes, and communicate directly within the CRM. Plus, you can generate reports in just a few clicks to track your progress and identify bottlenecks. This makes it easy for your whole team to stay aligned and focused on the right tasks, improving overall efficiency and closing more deals. For those looking to automate their outreach even further, Salesflare offers email sequences. This feature lets you set up personalized follow-ups that are sent automatically based on the lead's behavior. So you're not manually following up with every lead, but you're still staying top of mind. And these sequences can be customized to match your sales strategy, allowing you to optimize your outreach for maximum results. Let's not forget about Salesflare's reporting features. You'll be able to see detailed insights on everything from email open rates to which sales reps are performing the best. This data can help you adjust your sales approach and ensure your team is always performing at its peak. Optimizing CRM workflows in Salesflare doesn't just save time, it ensures that you're staying on top of every deal and making the most of every opportunity. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a larger sales team, these features are designed to streamline your entire workflow. To wrap things up, remember you can start using Salesflare completely for free through the first link below, and as a bonus, you'll get an extended free trial. Start optimizing your CRM workflows today and take your sales game to the next level.